A Ma Maniere Jordan 3 was a banger, a perfect candidate for Sneaker of the Year 2021. Following that, the Atlanta-based boutique tried their hands on one of my favorite silhouette, that is Air Jordan 1. Hey everyone, I'm the Vani, and today we'll be talking about A Ma Maniere Jordan 1s. I know I'm very late to the party. The pair was released almost 5 months ago, while the early pairs were in the market way before that. So this won't be just an unboxing or a review video. It would be a styling video or how I would like to style these. So let's start with the unboxing. Just a heads up, I've already worn them twice, so you will see the creases, bends or even dirt on them. So let's start with the box. It comes in this transparent plastic cover which has A Ma Maniere logo all over it. And now talking about the box has the same color blocking as the pair. It comes in a cream box with burgundy detailings, while the official colorway is Sail Burgundy Crush. Now once we open the box, the lid has this Jordan layup logo along with the A Ma Maniere branding. Now coming to the pair, it is mostly made up of this cracked sail leather which shades as you can see from the close-up. Now talking about the swoosh, it is made up of this fox leather with the texture that gives a snakeskin look that matches the heel tab. The burgundy color used in the color blocking, according to the founder of A Ma Maniere, James Whitner, represents the blood or the family. So the pair comes with these burgundy wax laces along with an extra pair of laces which are these sail laces. But when it comes to my personal preference, I prefer these burgundy laces because I prefer to give a contrast between the tongue and the laces, and that's exactly what I have done here. The laces have these metallic agate which has A Ma Maniere printed on them. Now the sock liner is made up of this quilted material that gives it a luxurious feel. Now coming to the tongue, the Nike stitch tag is here and the Nike logo is in burgundy color along with A Ma Maniere branding in black white surface. The tongue is made up of the same cracked leather and the lining behind the tongue is made up of the same quilted material. Now coming to the midsole is off-white or beige in the color that gives it the vintage vibe. I actually like the vibe that is going on and it actually makes the pair stand out. Now talking about the outsole, it is of the same burgundy color. It also comes with a hand tag that has a Jordan logo on one end and A Ma Maniere logo on the other. Talking about the flaps of the shoes, they are unstitched like the off-whites and unlike most of the Jordans. The right side says learning's a gift even when pain is your teacher along with Michael Jordan's sign, while the left one says you have to expect things of yourself before you can actually do them along with sign of Michael Jordan. The back of the shoe has a little bit of the stitching that is of the same fox leather, giving that snake skin texture, and while the other back is mostly made up of that cracked leather only. Now insole of the shoe has the same burgundy color along with a stitch tag that says Airness by A Ma Maniere for Air Jordan and a Jordan logo. And now some on-feet clips. Now let's get to the styling part. If you liked what you saw and would like to watch more of such content, maybe consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you around.